Hello student, today we learn standard 6 science. In that lesson number 4 disaster management. See on page number 26 there shown some disastrous events. See pictures of disastrous events and they are asked some questions that can you tell what events do you see in these pictures? Yes, we seen various disastrous events that for in the first picture earthquake disaster and in the second picture that is drought and in the third torrential rains are there and in the fourth picture that is fire and next that is cyclones and in the last picture volcanic eruptions. Okay, these some events we have shown in this picture and what would you have done in these situations? What would you have done in this situation? And this situation is very terrible and we can't do anything. Okay, only we go away from far from that situation we have to do. And have you experienced such a situation yourself? And if you have experienced this type of any situation, and why do these events occur? And now we have to study why these events occurs. See disaster figure 4.2 effects of the earthquake in Khilari. See, there is the earthquake in 30th September 1993 and many people died due to the earthquake at Khilari, which is in Latur district. Okay, and that type of disaster is a massive earthquake. Then next, which is a picture shown 4.4, that is the disaster at Malin village. Yes, this accident happened in Malin village in the time of 30th July 2014 and Taluka Ambegaon district Pune, and there is a landslide disaster type occur and whole village was destroyed. Okay, this is a very terrible accident happened in that area. And in November 2015 many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu, that is in Chennai. And even today people of Mumbai shudder at the memory of July 2005 when many people had lost their lives in the deluge caused by heavy rains. And what is that due to the disasters? What is meant by disaster? And from these pictures we know that a sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or society is called a disaster. Then there is questions, some questions asked for you, that is you use your brain power. And first, what disasters can occur in school or on the way to school? And when we come to school, We have to be very careful, especially while crossing the road, and carelessness can lead to accidents. And while commuting is in a school bus, we may get injured if we don't follow certain discipline. And if it is raining heavily, we may be stranded somewhere, and we should not believe strangers and go with them, and it can lead to kidnapping. The people with criminal tendencies, terrorists, can cause harm to us, so we need to be alert all the time. Okay, and next question is that according to you, what can be done to deal with such a disaster? And we should always behave with responsibility and care, and we should travel safely, and in case of any untowards happening, we should immediately inform our elders or the police. And if anyone is injured, we should immediately help him or her with first aid, and later they should be taken for medicine treatment or medical treatment. We must always remember the contact numbers of emergency services. These are the we deal with that disasters. Okay student, so today we learn what is meant by disaster, and when in school or in way to school there is happening an accident, then how we react and what we do. And we see the some pictures, and then we have to know that there are various types of disasters are also occur on the earth. So student, today we will stop here, and in the next video we will see the next part from this chapter. So thank you, bye bye.